The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Tuesday, and our gospel is coming from St. Mark chapter 2, verses 23 to 28. In the gospel, Jesus said, Sabbath was made for man, and not man made for Sabbath. Jesus said this because the Pharisees were criticizing the disciples for picking heads of grains on a Sabbath. From this, we shall realize that the Lord is always after the welfare of every human person, the salvation of the soul, and the healing of the body, and the need for us to survive. The fundamental and the basic of everything is the dignity of the human person. And if at times it will go head to head against all other precepts and laws, the priority will be the dignity of the human person, because man is the highest in the creation of God. So, my dear friends, every human person is always beloved of God. The desire for us to be closer to God shouldn't be hindered by anything, even if that would mean at times negating the law that has been established, even the law on Sabbath. So, my dear friends, the hierarchy of priorities is always our God and the dignity of the human person before anything else, so that no one will be lost and everyone will be closer to our God. God bless.